If you want to charge other devices using your Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is you can use a USB cable and you can connect your Motorola Moto G87 to another device, whichever device you want to charge. Now in my case I have another smartphone over here, so I should be able to connect both devices together with a USB cable that fits both of them. There we go, just like that. And then there is a chance that, of course, your phone is going to be charged instead of charging, especially if you connect it to another smartphone. But we can easily fix that. If you go to notifications, find charging this device via USB, tap on this notification once and then once again in order to open USB preferences, and then here you can enable this option, charge connected device, and there we go, now we are charging that other device. If you connect your Motorola Moto G87 to, for example, a Bluetooth device that has USB port, then most likely it's going to work straight away without any issues whatsoever. And unfortunately, the wired method is the only one that works. Unfortunately, reverse wireless charging is not available on the Motorola Moto G87. Leave a like and subscribe.